Touch. We just started working her this morning, so touch. Touch. Oops. Touch. Touch. I'm going to bring her out a little further. Touch. Arrow, come. Touch. I'm going to start putting some different combinations in there. Seeing if she can handle that. Arrow, come. I click the moment she comes towards me. Touch. Let her go that way. Arrow, come. Arrow, come. Arrow, come. Touch. I'm barely awake myself. Barely. Arrow, come. Touch. See if she handles that distance. Touch. No. Touch. I misclick a lot, but it's okay. Arrow, come. Touch. Arrow, come. Touch. Touch. What? You're cheating. Touch. Good girl. Arrow, come. Touch. I'm gonna have to bump this game up pretty soon. Touch. Maybe even outside. Arrow, come. Yes, good girl. Touch. Very nice. Sit. Not at a distance, huh? Sit. Yes. Missed the click, so I just said yes. Sit. She's gonna default to behaviors that get her the rewards. Sit. Have to be closer. Sit. Sit. That's pretty fun. Touch. You can't ask Arrow to sit when she's full work mode like that. They'll start barking. They're crazy. Touch. You missed the kibble. Arrow, come. Touch. Touch. Oops. Touch. Oh, you're cheating. There, you can have it anyway. It's all about making it fun. It doesn't have to be perfect. Arrow, come. Good girl. Touch. You're cheating. Touch. Arrow, come. Take a sip of coffee. Touch. Uh-uh. Good. Arrow, come. Arrow, come. Touch. Sit. Nice. Touch. It keeps her moving, keeps her thinking. Touch. And she already went potty before this, so we're good for like 15, 20 minutes. Touch. So cute. Arrow, come. Good girl. We're gonna do some luring videos. You guys know what luring means? Dog just Arrow, come. Nice. The dogs just learn to follow the treat, the reward. So it'll look a little something like this. So even for like sits and stuff. Sit. You make the dog follow the food. Like that. Touch. Thinking. How long till I help her? So like, let's say if she's not getting it. If I see she's, I hope, I learned this stuff from Gary Wilkes, and you pretty much till you see like major distracted, then you'd be like, or like wrong or something like that. Not the word no, just like Arrow, come. Touch. It's hard because she sees me drawing this kibble, so she instead of sticking around, she goes and does the command that I asked her to do. So it's pretty cool. because the kibble's right behind the camera. She can easily just come get it for free and stay here. But she already learned that she doesn't get it that way. Touch. So they learn really quickly. You wait them out. And she's sniffing the kibble by the bowl over there too. So she hasn't seen it yet. She will. And you see their nose in the ground. She still missed it. Missed it. Oh dear. Oh yeah. Puppies. So she sees me drawing the kibble. That's why she's sitting there pretty. Touch. You gotta work for this kibble, girl. Keeps them very entertained, very engaged. Mentally tires them out. I'll start later on doing the target stick on some other items or having people hold it. It's just fun to do. Fun game. To you it's training, to them it's just a game. They're getting their food. So cute. Sit. Did she come out on there? She's out of frame on there, isn't she? She's so cute when she sits. Look at her. So cute. I'll try to get her to sit in front of the camera. I don't know how that's going to go. Arrow, come. Sit. Aww. And then I'll click every time she stays. Right? That's how she's learned to. See the excitement when I click? She's like, oh, oh. She come out on there? Let's see. Yeah, she comes out, sort of. So lure her. Like, then I just withdraw. She's being jumpy. Touch. Let's see if she goes over there. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Gotta be patient. Attention spans are not good in these puppies. Touch. She went back. Touch. I'll probably be ending it. Arrow, come. Yeah. Sit. Hold it 2 more seconds. Nice. Let me send her off into a touch. There he goes. Good girl. We'll probably end it right there. Just so she doesn't get. She can go for a while, but I'm going to put some of her kibble. So what I do is I take a portion, put some of her kibble in like a toy or something, some for the Kong, and then tell her to go in her crate with some food too. So I portion out the meal, and then she can do her toy. So, hi, good morning. So whatever is left over, I use it for the other things. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Very food motivated. That's a good way to slow down dogs that eat really fast with that toy. You just have to take it away if they can chew it up. And what I did here was just tether her. Because, I've got other dogs here, right? So just tether her to it's a really long leash. About 20 feet. I didn't want her to go anywhere else and get into trouble, so I tethered her here. So I'm going to be here. A lot of people have issues with that, but this is a training page, right? These are all little tips for you to have your dog with you all the time. Keeping a leash on them is actually a good thing. You get used to it. I didn't want her to go anywhere, so morning, hon. Crazy little puppy. She's clearly getting big, huh? Oh my. Jace. Loca. I'm gonna show you guys the handheld part to this. But you can also take this out of the base. It does come out, but I'm one-handed here. And then hold it. But I do have the retractable handheld stick. Little girl, I think you're done. Arrow. You done? Let's see. You got one in there. Get it. There you go. She got it. You're done. And they'll start chewing on it, so it goes away. Yeah. Good girl.